Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming permissions and locating the list. Without at least read access, you can't filter reliably. Once the list is open, switch to the view you'll modify. Make sure you're in a browser or SharePoint app where view editing is allowed, then choose View Options and select Edit Current View. This action exposes the filter settings and column choices. You're doing this now so subsequent filter rules apply to the correct view and user scope. Now you construct the actual filter logic. Select columns that are indexed first to avoid throttling. Indexed fields make queries faster. Then add conditions. You can chain multiple rules and switch between and, or to refine results. Use relative tokens like today or me for dynamic filters that update automatically. This is why you'll get the right subset without manual edits. Once the rules reflect your intent, preview results. Finish by saving the edited view and refreshing the list so the filter is applied. Test thoroughly. Scan item counts and open several rows to confirm accuracy. If expected items don't show up, check for common issues, unindexed columns, mismatched data types, or invisible metadata. As a quick troubleshooting tip, clear your browser cache and ensure you're testing as a user with proper permissions. If problems persist, recreate the filter on a new view to isolate configuration errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.